What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock the Ninebot F40, F30, F25 and many others F-series right now in 2026 to the maximum speed. So here I have Ninebot F40. It supports the maximum speed of 30 km per hour. So currently it's a Europe version, so it can ride up to 25 km per hour in the sport mode. And in order to do it, you need to do the simple steps to unlock it. So firstly, what you need to do is to download the scooter hacking utility app. Here already downloaded. So pretty simple. You open the app, then search for your scooter, Ninebot F series. Then you need to confirm connection. Turn on, turn off. So it's confirmed now. And what next you should do is to go to three dots here. Open the hardware details and copy UID. That's actually the most important part here. So as you see, UID, click on copy. It's copied to the clipboard. So after this, you open Telegram bot. So once you open it, you click start. Then understand others. So as you see, it's applicable for F20, F25, F30, F40, many other scooters. You see full list is here. So what you need to select is F20, F25, copy your UID. I will hide it from you. Also, you need to clean it a bit as it is some other stuff copied. So you just need this UID, click send. Waiting for the file. It usually takes very fast. You see, you got it. So after this, you save the file. I will rename it now and we will install it. All right, so you're back to scooter hacking utility app. Okay, let's reconnect again. Go to flash, load from file, my files, and select this file that you just downloaded. Click OK. Click start flashing. So as you see, flashing is ongoing. Also, it will take less than 1 minute. So actually this process is downgrading your firmware here. So you will get a lower version, and in this version you can easily change the serial number. Please don't update, so you can always return to stock. You change from Europe or German region to the global region or United States region where there is no limitation for the scooter speed, so you can get the maximum speed for your scooter. Just to repeat, for F40 is 30 km per hour. So let's wait for it. Okay, performing post-flash operation. Okay, so let's check the speed now. I'm in a sport mode, turn the wheel. Sees 25 km per hour, not going fast in sport mode. So now let's open the app again, click on change the region, global F40, wait for some beeps, and now let's test the speed again, no cut again, as you see. .30 km per hour, maximum speed, working really well and fast. So actually in drive mode also you will get also 30 km per hour in drive mode as well. So actually that's how you can easily unlock any Ninebot F series scooter right now in 2026.